After seeing how much my dear little friend gave me, thank you by the way, I thought, hey, why not do that? As he gave me whatever. The thing is, you need to have like preferably. Oh wait, I already have like even 5 if we put crazy sexy legs. Yeah, absolutely fancy. If this doesn't work, I'll do any live on Twitch. Build strategy category 2, so watch out for that. I realized can I use Drunk Cat? I don't. I don't think that I should keep him. I don't feel secure about it. I don't know why, but I don't feel very good to have him. Yeah, I mean, why wouldn't I feel good? Just let me use what my dear friend Anwar had. So at least on this one, it dies. Yeah. Yes, is that? No. What the fuck? Whoa, god damn it. Bet you hungry? Cause you're looking for that ass. What the fuck? You saw that? They just went. They think I have guys for them. So that's 7,000, right? Like when the 4th one appears. So dish, Albro, and then done. Oh, everything's clear. You can I have to fight him while that one. Oh wait, he did not have this one. He had wait, never mind. It doesn't really matter now. So they have 120k health. Oh my god. But the good thing is, if they are in front of him, Sexy Legs can shockwave to... I guess I can say there's a good part here. Okay. But on that there is only one. Why is he so unlucky? Why am my cat so unlucky? Why am I so unlucky? So I should have been Eva. He has 3.2 million health, but I still can't do enough to kill some gold. I cannot one-shot gold with Wi-Fi in this level. Oh, come on! I'll turn this off when it's time for my crazy. Just for him. Just so he doesn't get to work. Oh my fucking god. Well, good thing I have a lot of those. Let me guess as well. Yeah. Oh, there was only one on it. There's the. Damn it. Don't spam me. Oh my god. Fuck you. Fuck off. Bitch, fuck off. He was. Okay, how the fuck? What the heck can he even do that? How the fuck can he even do that? Until 99, 88, okay. Kind of close. So, first of all, just fuck you, Glory. Okay. No, I don't need Cybercat. I need something that has a lot of health. There comes the problem. So, something that has lots of health. Maybe can survive 2 or 3 shots from him. What could it be? No, for sure not Copper Man, for fuck's sake. Operators don't range him. They would chip for the like 10,000 damage off of him, but I forgot to bring his powers. Oh, this is only 7 minutes. I don't think this was a good idea, that's what I'm going to say. Oh good, thank you, Brawlers. Thank God for giving me Brawlers. Let them come next. So this, let's see if I can just get them like this. Nice, okay. Like this. So from what I remember, Anwar said they don't come to your base. I don't know why he would say that. But okay, just said let him come to your base. Okay, I will stop. And just like be done. No, just let him start a little to come fast. And of course, when dishes come, I'll just go ahead and do this. Good job. Why? Resistant boy. Oh, he's going to be so good versus Craze the Craze the Captain of Mexico. No wonder he just got more trouble. Trust me, this is the thing. This is what I need to do. Why? He cannot get attacked by a single thing here. Oh, okay. That's it. Easy ended. Oh my god. I need to kill that Bravo. I need to kill anything, actually. What? Oh my god, please, for the love of shockwaves, please kill him. Yes, it'll kill him. I'll stop this because he's playing now. He's like, herder. I'm fucked. How did he one shot in my base if he only has 30,000? So what the fuck? It says 30,000 damage, but he doesn't do 30,000. Does he have like 4 times that? Fuck.